statement, or this is one type of conditional, means we are saying like conditional statement, it's under coming that switch case. Okay, means some of the conditions are there, and based on that we have to take the decision. Okay, that we will discuss in coming hour, like after 2 to 3 minutes I will going to take that only. Let's get understand first of all why we need to be get. And you people can say yesterday's last one lecture I have explained if else condition, what is mean, how to use, why to use, and everything. So here the slight difference we are going to understand, and we are going to know why these things are available. Okay, just second. Okay, first of all, when to use the if else. If else, we know that some of the conditions we have to give. After then range is there, inequality also there, and complex condition. And condition are not based on the single value. That could be and operator we are using, some of the or operator, not operator, the different type of conditions. So that's why we have to use the if else. Okay, and there is a, we know the same, like I have the example, 20. 20 is the age, and I'm checking is the less than age is less than 13, then it is a child. Like that, different scenarios there. According to that we are taking the decision. Okay, and according to that we are getting the output. Okay, in if else, when we are understanding, when we use to the switch condition, that is a little bit difference. That only we are going to do today as a switch case examples. So one variable will be there against the fixed value, like a menu options, grade options, character options, and the string options will be there. Menu options means what? A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Like one order means one will be there, means I'm giving the order. 2 will be there, the order is a processing and everything. 3 is there, that time it's coming. Or 4 is there, I want to cancel. And 5 is there, it's a deliver. And 6 is there, means something is another we are ordering, or that is not available. Like that. Different examples will be there. We are going to learn that only. Grades. That is the best example I can give. A, B, C. There are 3 grades. Everyone know A is excellent. If we can say A equals to excellent, B equals to middle, and C is a fail, like that. And D we have to introduce as a nothing is there. That person out of that range, we can say. So these are the switch case statement which we are going to understand today. Characters and the strings. Characters we can use for the switch, as a E, I, O, U as a vowels to be understand. The numbers, whatever the characters, our vowels or not. Strings means name. Fruits names we are going to give, like a mango, orange, custard apple, strawberry. These are the fruits. But if I give the flower name, like a rose, sunflower, then that is a default. That is a invalid fruit, we can say. So we can here is understand the clear and the more readable code. Then means in switch you saw na, means you can see as an example also here. If I'm giving the B, that is we will see the latter, but latter the switch grade. Okay, the variable we have to put here, and A, B, C, and here is a default. Okay, here is a default means invalid grade, nothing is there. Acha, I hope you got it, and I'm going to explain in both language, like हिंदी में भी and इंग्लिश में भी. तो कुछ डाउट हो तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि B का मैंने वैल्यू पुट किया है, और इंस्ट्रक्शन, ओके, इंस्ट्रक्शन इसको दिया है जावा को और मेरे प्रोग्राम को दिया है कि बाबा मुझे बी तक जाना है, तो बी तक जाएगा वो, एंड इट विल बी द आउटपुट विल बी गुड जॉब. ठीक है, ऐसा आएगा. तो वी कैन सी दैट इट इज अ क्लियर एंड द मोर रीडेबल कोड देन द लॉन्ग चेन of if else statement. Okay, these are the smaller things, and the easier to be understand. Then means the same code is there, we can say. But if I want to put into if else means that type of way, the if grade equals to A means excellent, else if grade is B, then it is good, C equals to, then it is a keep improving, like that. Understood na? You can slightly difference is there. I can use both for now, but for the seeing improvement there, cleaner is there, understandable is there, and the so much understandable, more readable also there. So much things are there, so we can use this one. Okay, Achha. Now it is a performance, and small differences there which I want to say here, like large numbers we can put in the different cases. So 10 plus, 20 plus, 30 plus, whatever we want to put, we can put in the case, like I will show you here, A 1 2 3 4, like that. Invalid means we can put like n number of, okay. For else also we can put that. I'm not saying like we can't put for the if else, we can put, but it will be so much slower process, first of all. Second thing, it will be confusion also. And third thing, the whatever the code हमारे पास है वो हमको अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो might be if we are going crossing the 30 plus data, 40 plus data, 50 plus data, तो हमको confusion हो सकता है. So because of that, avoiding to that, we having the switch, okay, switch case pattern in Java, which we can use. Okay, here is a readability. The point is there. The switch make the code look neater. Means that only I already explained. There will be options. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one, and the break. This is the proper syntax. I will explain also, but first of all, we have to just know why this is. We should know why this is available. Okay. One option is there. Second, we can use both, but little bit difference is there. So both work, but the switch is easier to the scan. Okay, So this is the thing, and summary table I have so much good summary table, by that everyone can understand different things are there which everyone can be able to get it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, I got talk with Vaishali. Thank you so much to be joined.